Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I am going to talk about the English language. Guys, you know all about the English language. English language is the global language and I think that it is Ling language. Guys, at first I want to say that English language is spoken in only four countries. First, Great Britain, second USA, third Australia, and four New Zealand. I think that in this country the English language is their national language, also their mother language. So the English is speaking for them, it is not difficult, it is very easy, such as we speak and say our mother language in our society, at our home, like this. So I think that apart from this country, the people learn the English language through the English grammar. And suppose that if someone has environment of the English language, then there the people learn English easily and very fast. But I think that if you don't have the environment of the English language, then I think that it is difficult for you. So you will have to learn the English grammar. If you don't have knowledge of the English grammar, then you can't speak the English language. So guys, today I gonna tell you about the English grammar because properly I studied the English grammar. So uh, right now I am able to speak the English language. I am able to tell you all about the English language, how to learn the English language. First, I say that you will have to learn the English grammar. So today I gonna tell you about the tense. Perhaps you all understand my speech what I am speaking. Tense is the very important of the grammar, and tense are three part. First is present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. Suppose that for example I gonna tell you that in every tense are four part, four part of the speech. Like this, uh, four parts are that first is present indefinite, and present indefinite is the part of speech. For example, I say that I go to London, you go to Chicago, she goes to New Delhi, like this. And second part is present imperfect. Present imperfect is the sentence of structure that I am going to Chicago, you are going to Japan, she is going to China, like this. And third is present perfect. Present perfect is that I have gone to London, they have gone to Chicago, he has gone to South Africa, like this. And fourth part is that I have given you water. You have been writing a letter. She has been going there like this. So I think that if you develop and if you improve to your English language, then you must care about the tense of the grammar. So guys, it happened the present tense, and like this past tense you can use like this. So I think that if you study the grammar and about the tense, then you able to speak the English language. Otherwise, nothing. So guys, today I gonna tell you the English grammar, that it is the very very important for learning English language if you don't have the environment to learn the English language. So guys, today I talk about the tense. Before I did not understand the English language. Also, I am not able to. I was not able to speak the English language. But when I study properly the English grammar, then I knew that the English language is spoken like this. So today I think that the structure of the sentence is that first you can use subject, second verb, and third object. This is the sentence structure of the English language. So I think that English language will be easy if you study much detail the English grammar. Then English, I think that not difficult. So guys, today I tell about the English language, and most of the people take interest to learn the English language. So today I had to make the blog video, and I think and I hope the next part of the tense I will make again next video. Okay guys, thank you. Today I wrap up my speech here. Thank you.